What is the role of electrolytes in bladder muscle health? Have you ever wondered how the body keeps the bladder functioning smoothly? One key player in this process is electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and are vital for many bodily functions, including bladder muscle health. They help regulate muscle contractions, nerve signaling, fluid balance, and even pH levels, all of which are essential for proper bladder function. The bladder wall is made up of smooth muscle fibers. These fibers need to contract and relax to store and expel urine. This process relies heavily on key electrolytes like calcium, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Let's break down how these electrolytes contribute to bladder health. First, calcium ions are crucial for muscle contraction. When the bladder needs to empty, calcium helps the muscle fibers slide and shorten, allowing for contraction. After the bladder has emptied, magnesium steps in to help the muscles relax. This cycle of contraction and relaxation is vital for the bladder to fill and empty efficiently without any issues. Next, we have sodium and potassium, which play a significant role in nerve signal transmission. These electrolytes generate and propagate electrical impulses along nerve cells that control bladder muscle activity. This means they help coordinate when the bladder contracts and how strong those contractions are, as well as the sensation of fullness. Fluid balance is another critical function of electrolytes. Sodium and chloride help manage the movement of water in and out of bladder muscle cells through a process called osmosis. Keeping the right amount of fluid in the cells prevents them from swelling or shrinking, which could disrupt bladder function. Electrolytes also help maintain pH balance in the body, including the fluids around bladder tissues. A stable pH is necessary for optimal enzyme activity and cellular health in the bladder muscle. When electrolyte levels are adequate, bladder muscle function remains normal, helping to prevent issues like urinary urgency, frequency, or incontinence. However, imbalances can lead to muscle spasms or weakness, which can affect bladder health. While electrolyte disturbances do not cause bladder cancer, maintaining healthy bladder muscle function and a supportive tissue environment can contribute to overall urinary system health. If you experience any bladder symptoms, it is essential to consult healthcare professionals to rule out any serious conditions, including cancer. In summary, electrolytes are fundamental for the electrical and biochemical processes that allow bladder muscles to function properly. They ensure that muscles contract and relax correctly, maintain nerve communication, and support fluid and pH balance, all critical for bladder health.